why you need to use MSME Sales Booster ERP is because in our ERP, when you are creating a BOM, if you use any 3D software like SolidWorks, Fusion 360, AutoCAD, then from that 3D software, you will get an output of the design, which will be basically your BOM. So it will be given to you in an Excel format. In our BOM, when you are creating a BOM, we are having a feature to import from Excel. If you can see on the right hand side here, there is a button import from Excel. So I have already created a template. So this is the template which has to be used. So this template is available inside our ERP as well. So you can just preview or download the template, or you can customize your Fusion work, Fusion 360 or SolidWorks to give you the output in the Excel in this Excel format. Now, once this Excel format is achieved, I am also having a PDF file here, which is consisting of 10 pages. So normally what will happen is in a drawing which consists of multiple parts, the first 2, 3 pages will be the overall drawing and it will be broken up. That will be your BOQ. And then for every part, there will be a separate page which will be the drawing of only that part. Now, individually, if you need to extract that particular page and put it under that part in the BOM, it is going to be very difficult. That is simplified by using our ERP. So I will show you how this works. I will first select a finished product, which is going to be any product that you create in the product master. I will choose what is the drawing number. So let us say the drawing number will be shaft 1. Okay. Then I will choose my department. I'm going to choose design by whom. I will click on import from Excel. Okay. I will click on import from Excel. I will choose my Excel file, which is going to be in this Excel file. I click on upload. When I click on upload, automatically the ERP has pulled all the data from your Excel file. So this is exactly how you have done it in your Excel file. If you see this item code, which is there, is always going to be your drawing number. So whenever you have a drawing, number which is there in the part is basically the drawing number. So we copy from item code, we copy to drawing number. So this is being done in the BOM, in the requirements. Now, like I showed you, I am going to upload a single PDF file. So I will upload the drawing file. I click on the sample.pdf. Now, when I click on sample.pdf, if you see, it has automatically uploaded and it has identified that there already exists a drawing in our database which was with the name sample.pdf. So do we want to auto-complete the BOM items? If I click on yes, it will auto-complete all the items. For this particular example, I am going to click on no. Now what I'm going to do, instead of manually extracting the PDF pages and putting it against a drawing, I am simply going to put the drawing page number. So we are having a PDF with 10 pages. I will randomly put over here 5. So I put over here 5, I put here 3, I put here 2, 2, I put over here 6. Then I am going to put over here, let us say 8. I put over here 7. I put here 1. Then comes here 10. Then 9, which is there. And finally 4 is pending. So I put over here 4. So I have chosen over here what are my page numbers, drawing page numbers. So I do not want to manually extract the PDF pages. I have chosen here that this part, drawing for this part, which is part number SM1001 is on page number 5. SM1002 is on page number 3 and so on. So I am going to now click on save BOM. So this BOM has been saved and I am going to now click on create. So this is going to create my BOM. So once the BOM is created, I am going to go to the bill of material. So when I go to the bill of material, I'm going to check. Now this is the product shaft 1. For this BOM has been created. If I go inside the view, it is going to show me individual files here. So BOM has been created. I imported it from Excel. The Excel was given to me by your 3D software, Fusion 360, SolidWorks, AutoCAD, so on. Excel was given to me. I imported the Excel file. From that Excel file, all my item details were imported for the BOM. I did not have to manually type it. Secondly, I had a single PDF drawing in which there were 10, 20, 30 pages. For every part, there was a separate page which was for the drawing. Now that drawing which is there, it was on which page number I chose it while creating the PDF, while creating the BOM. automatically from that PDF, the ERP extracted the page numbers, and against that page number, for that part number, that PDF page was uploaded. So if I show you over here, this is going to be my page number 5. So I had chosen 5 here. Similarly, for the other ones, as I had chosen, the pages have been extracted here. So with this, what is going to happen is that you do not need to manually type. Sometimes if your product consists of 50 parts, 60 parts, if you have to manually type everything, it will take you a lot of time. Instead, import it from Excel, just add the page numbers of that single PDF file. The ERP will do the rest.